Good afternoon, children. Yeah, so these are the doubts that few of the students posted me. So here I'll discuss the problems so that using these concepts you can do the remaining problems. Okay, this is from exercise 4. Okay, so the sixth problem, first one. What does the triangle say to us? See, observe carefully. So this triangle says that this is the angle is here is 70 degrees. These two sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, obviously the angles made by those two sides are also equal with the base. That means x is equal to y. Okay. So from figure. So what you can write from figure? What do we understand? X degrees is equal to y degrees. Okay, so therefore now in place of x you can write y, or in place of y you can write x. And now what is the other angle? 70 degrees. Therefore x plus y plus 70 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. Now the next part here is, what is in place of y also you can write x. So x plus x plus 70 is equal to 180. X plus x is 2x. So we can write it as 2x plus 70. I am giving every step. I didn't expect that you can be asking such doubts, but anyhow you asked. It seems you are not clear again with the previous concepts also. So please remember, children, whenever you do maths, don't think that if that chapter is done, your job is done. No, that should be applied in the next coming chapters. Right. So transpose the 70, it will become minus 70 here. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110. X is equal to transpose 2 here now. Multiplication will become division. It is equal to 55 degrees. So you have x is equal to 55 degrees. Therefore you can conclude that. What is the conclusion now? X is equal to y is equal to 55 degrees. This is the conclusion for this problem. Clear? So go through the complete this thing. Take a screenshot so that you can copy the notes. Okay. Now let me go to the next problem. Again here also in the problem, two sides are equal. That means angles made by those two sides to the base are equal. So already it is given. From figure you can write. From figure y is equal to 50 degrees. Right. So y is equal to 50 degrees because these two sides are already equal given. So when y is 50, what is x? It is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. X is equal to y plus 50, since x is exterior angle. Done. So now x is equal to, what is y? 50 plus 50, which is equal to 100 degrees. So we got both x and y values. Take a screenshot of this. Let's move on to the next one. Even in the next problem you have, these two sides are equal. That means these two angles are equal. So y is equal to this angle. Okay, and now how to find out y? Y and 30 are vertically opposite angles. So therefore you have again. So this problem is done till here. Right, now from figure, y is equal to 30 degrees. Y, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. Right, now from figure, if this is done, you got y, and this is equal to the third angle, because in the figure they didn't give you the names, so therefore I am writing it as third angle, is equal to y is equal to 30 degrees. So when you know y, this is equal to y. Now we are left with x. So now we have, therefore 30 plus y plus x is equal to 180 degrees. We already got y value. Y is 30. So 30 plus 30 plus x, everywhere degree. If I miss also, please you write it down. So 30 plus 30 is 60. So transpose 60 onto this side. 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. So thus I got x is equal to 120 degrees, as well as I got y is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. And move to the next one. So in the next one, nothing about much difficult, because here again the same thing. So it's given that the two sides are equal, and this is 110 degrees exterior angle, and this is x and this is y. So now, since these two sides are equal, which angles are equal? This y is equal to this one. Now this is an adjacent angle to this one. So then this is going to be 70 degrees, is it not? 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees, right? Why? Because this is adjacent angle to this 110. Hence we got it to be 70, or rather you can say from straight angle. I am writing it as from straight angle. So children, those who still need more of fundamentals, I'll write from straight angle. The unknown angle is, the known angle is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. Got it? So this is an unknown angle. So we found it. Now these two are equal. That means these two angles are equal. Therefore from figure, you have y is equal to 70 degrees. Right? So since the triangle is isosceles triangle. Right. So you got y is equal to 70 degrees. Now y is equal to 70 degrees and this is 70 degrees. Now it is very easy for you to determine x. Is it not? So 70 plus 70. So from properties of, from angle sum relations, you have 70 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay, so therefore x is equal to, I am doing it directly, 180 minus 140, because 70 plus 70 is 140, which is equal to 40 degrees. I hope at least this much you will understand now, after doing so many problems. Yeah, please take a screenshot and copy the problem. Let's move on to the next one. Right, so this is 30 and this is a adjacent angle to this, or from the straight angle. If you subtract 30, you will get y. So y is equal to, now I am not writing anything. I'll do it here only. It's your job to complete it. All the statements you only do by yourself. If not, you cannot be ready for the test. You should not depend on all problems on teacher, right? Do yourself also. Right, so this is 150 degrees. So this 150 is equal to sum of these two. Okay, but here this is of 90 degrees. Hence, now 150 minus 90 is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Or rather you can say 30 plus 90 is already 120. 180 minus 120 is 60. Why? Because angle sum property. All the same properties from whatever you are doing from the beginning in this particular chapter, all those should be applied here, because this is the last exercise. So all that will be used here. So don't leave that concept there only with the first exercise or second exercise. As you are moving ahead to the next exercise, you should have a habit of applying the concepts what you have learned. So it is from angle sum property also you can do directly here, 30, 90. So therefore this is 60 degrees obviously. That means you have to subtract 120 from 180, you will get 60. And then once when this is the thing, it is exterior angle. The other way around you can do the in other way also. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That is one process. Or the other one straight angle you can take. Or the other one adjacent angle you can take. So there are three ways of doing this problem. The thing here is that you should be thorough with your basics. Let me do this problem here. So here two sides are given, that means this angle is equal to this angle, and here this is what do we say, vertically opposite angle to this, so therefore this is going to be 80. Yes, very good. So this is vertically opposite, hence you will get 80 degrees. So out of 180 degrees you subtract 80, you will get 100 degrees. Now that 100 degrees will be equally distributed to these two because these two angles are equal. So now 2x is equal to 100 degrees or x is equal to 50 degrees. I am writing directly here, this is equal to 50 degrees. And this is also 50 degrees, as this is an isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal. That means angles made by the sides are also equal. The same concept, children, please make use of your brain even for a moment. Same concept everywhere, wherever two sides are equal. So now this is exterior angle, where exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. That concept you can use, that is 80 plus 50, which is equal to 130. Or else take this as a straight angle. You got 50, 180 minus 50 is 130. Or else you can also use adjacent angle concept. So y is equal to 130 degrees. I am not writing any steps here. At least these two problems do by your own. Okay. So these are the doubts posted by one or two children, and most of you, almost all of you have done all the problems. Very good. Keep it up.